Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra 8 sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on. So what are the messages for Libra 8 sign. Ace of Cups, Hermit and Page of Swords. Queen of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Libra, what's going on? Under the deck, Seven of Swords. This person is very sneaky. They are willing to come back because Knight of Wands. This person is non-committal. I think it's your person. It's not you. They maybe cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is, for some, it could be third-party situation involved. Okay. There is something sneaky in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, Hermit and Page of Swords. And your person is spying on you, stalking on you, social media. They're watching you. And you are not talking to them. You walked away from your person. You are isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. Libra. Yeah, you have so much love for your person, but they did hurt you in past. That's why you are not talking to them. There is no contact situation between you and your person. But they are watching you. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Especially Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but Virgo. Then present Queen of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. So they are not treating you well. That's why you made a decision to walk away. Eight of Cups. You decided to leaving behind anybody that doesn't serve you anymore. Because you deserve best, Libra. And Queen of Pentacles, you are concentrating on yourself, putting energy on yourself. You are more concentrating on your career. Because Queen of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career and abundance. You walk away. There is separation between you and your person. And then future, Knight of Wands, the full strength. You are living in the present moment. You are going with the flow. And you overcome all this pain. And now you stand by your power. And you are very grounded, Libra. And you are in super control now. But they are coming back again, Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. And they are very passionate about you. I think there is no commitment here because Knights always in and out of your life. That's why a lot of resistance in this connection. Maybe you are feeling insecurity because there is no commitment. There is no consistency. There is no constant communication. Yeah, maybe they are telling lies. Definitely there is something sneaky because Seven of Swords energy. Energy could be vice versa guys. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely there is separation. But they are coming back with new beginnings with you. And Knight of Wands with the Fool. They want brand new beginnings. But you stand by your power. Now you don't want anyone because you are emotionally stable. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Virgo. So let's see. Ace of Swords, communication, truth coming out. They want to communicate with you. So first we will see your person current feelings. Libra. Yeah, spying, lot of stalking. Yeah. They're at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. And Knight of Pentacles. They want to come back. Knight of Pentacles, but they are in very slow moving energy. Yeah, they're thinking about to come back. And maybe they keep tabs on you. They test the waters before coming. They're testing the waters. A lot of spying is going, they are watching you. And Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. Judgment, they are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship in near future, because Judgment is decision making, major decisions. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Libra. Your person near future actions. Three of Swords, Eight of Cups, the Star. One more card. Yeah, Three of Pentacles and Princess of Wands. Again, communication message. Definitely, they really, I think you walked away or they walked away, someone is walked away, or you both mutually separated. It could be anything, but now they're realizing you both, they really want you back. They want to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles is partnership and want to work on this relationship, and they want collaboration with you, and they're still hoping for new beginnings with you. Again, the Star, the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. They see you as the Star. They're still hoping that you will give second chance to them, because they are heartbroken right now. Without you, they're feeling like this. Yeah, they're heartbroken. They really want to work on this relationship. Libra. Some communication is going to be happen. You will receive some communication from your person. And so let's see some message from, let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Five of Cups, separation. They're missing you so much. They're feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, Scorpio, the person involved in this connection could be your person undergoing some transformation. And Six of Wands, they want success in this connection. Yeah, there is type of ending between you and your person, because you walked away, but they are not unable to move on from this connection. They can't let you go. Yeah, they can't let you go. They really want you back. They're still hoping for this connection. And for some, it is over between you, but they are not accepting it. They can't let you go. They want success in this connection, and they are really missing you. Knight of Cups. Yeah, patience. But you are in super control. And Four of Pentacles, you are holding back, Libra. You are not taking any decision. You are not in rush to make any decision, because you have to see how much they put effort in this connection. That's why you are in super control. You are taking your time to make decision, but they're coming back. Knight of Cups. They want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, Judgment, decision making. You are the decision maker here. They're coming back, but you are the decision maker here. Yeah, intuition. You are trusting your intuition and your higher guides with you. Definitely trust your intuition, okay? So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Ace of Pentacles, you are achieving financial abundance and long-term commitment they are ready to offer. You are getting success and recognition for your hard work. Maybe you are waiting for some, you're still waiting for your person to come back. Yeah, if you are waiting for your person to come back, they're coming back for reconciliation. It's up to you to accept or reject. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, they're ready to offer commitment. They're fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, but it is again slow moving. Yeah, literally they are undergoing tower movement. They're missing you so much. They can't let you go. That's why they're coming back. So it's up to you. because you are the decision maker here, Libra. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Surrender to the divine. So if you have any problem or if you have any question, then it is the message from universe. Surrender that problem to the divine. You will get solution. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.